Hello and welcome to the first lecture of this lecture series on international trade law. In the first lecture, we will see why is international trade a significant aspect in today's world. The picture before you about Boeing 787 Dreamliner is a frequently quoted example about how international trade functions and why it is an important and undeniable part of the world's economy. You see in the picture that different parts of the Dreamliner are manufactured in different countries, including in USA, Canada, UK, Japan, South Korea, Italy, France, Australia and Sweden. The components of this aircraft come from more than 40 suppliers based in over 130 sites around the world. The label to the picture before you talks about global value chain. What is a value chain? A value chain is the complete range of activities from beginning till finishing which involves designing, producing and delivering a good or service. Global value chain or GVC is where the value chain transcends borders. So, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner is an excellent example of how manufacturing a good, here airplane, crosses barriers. From the Australian perspective, where movable trailing edge, a part of the Dreamliner is manufactured, the contract is valued about 20 billion Australian dollars. This entails investment in research, training, design, manufacturing, etc. iPhone is another example. It is made through a global value chain or GVC. It was conceived and designed in California. Several components come from several countries such as Japan, Korea, Germany, USA and other places. On the back of the iPhone, it states designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. The OECD, that is Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, came up with a paper titled Participation of Developing Countries in Global Value Chains in 2015, which argued many developing countries are increasingly involved in GVCs and that this participation tends to bring about economic benefits in terms of enhanced productivity, sophistication and diversification of experts. You see, it is easier to specialize and to manufacture one or few parts than an entire aircraft. Different countries may have different skills and resources. Some countries may have abundant natural resources, some may have a highly skilled population, some may be excellent in manufacturing. An efficient system of international trade creates synergy, that is combined action, and makes best and the most efficient use of these variations. That's all in this lecture. Bye bye and take care.